Hello everyone. How are you, my dear children? I hope you all are doing very well. Okay, so as you can see on your screen, today we are going to start a new chapter, and the name of this chapter is Directions. Okay, so what we are going to learn in this chapter? Let's see. We are going to see directions. How many directions are present, and how can we find all those directions? Apart from directions, we also have some sub directions. Now, what is the meaning of compass? All these things we are going to see in this chapter. So, let's start the chapter. Directions help us to locate places. Now, why we need direction? Because with the help of direction, we can find any place easily. Directions also show how a person or thing can move. Directions shows how a person or thing is moving. Okay, for example, if I am moving this side, it means I am moving in a particular direction. Okay, so this movement is measured through direction. There are four main directions: east, west, north, and south. As you all know, my dear lovely children, there are four main directions: east, west, north, south. Okay, so there are four main directions. Okay, here you can see sun always rises in the east and sun always sets in the west. Okay, now how we are going to find direction? We know there are four main directions: east, west, north, south. But my dear children, how can we find which direction is west, which direction is south, which direction is north, or which direction is east? So let's find out. Stand facing the rising sun early in the morning and stretch your arms and sideways. Whenever you see a rising sun, okay, always stand in always stand in that area where sun rises. Suppose sun rises from here, okay, and I'm standing. My face is my I'm having a face to face contact with sun. Okay, now what you have to do? Okay, stretch your arms like this. Okay, now your face is towards the east. Now your face is towards the east. Okay, why? Because sun always rises in the east. Okay, so now you are face to face with sun. That's why sun always rises in the direction of east. Your back is towards the west. Okay, now if your face is towards the east, then your whole back portion is towards the west. Your left hand points to the north. Now this is your left hand, okay, and you're stretching your arms like this. Okay, so your left arms indicating that this is north direction. Okay, your left arm is indicating that your left arm is in the direction of north. Your right hand points towards the south. Then only one direction left, and that was the south direction. So your right hand is in south direction. Okay, so through this way you can find all your four directions. After this four main directions, there are many sub directions. Like what? The direction halfway between north and east is northeast. Now, how can you measure sub directions? See, this is where east, this is west, this is north, this is south. So the distance between east and north direction, okay, there is a space. Okay, so this space between east and north direction is called as northeast. Okay, similarly the distance between east and south is southeast. Okay, similarly you can conclude which is your sub direction. Okay, the direction halfway between south and east is southwest. Okay, my dear students, the direction halfway between the north and west is northwest. The direction halfway between south and west is southwest. Okay, so this is your sub directions. Now how you are going to calculate directions? Okay, so to find out in which direction you are standing, we use a device, and that device is named as a compass. Okay, let's see what is the meaning of compass. First of all, this is compass. See, an instrument that help us to find directions is called a compass. Okay, so find out the directions. We need an instrument is called as compass. It has a dial on which the directions north, south, east and west is located. Here you can see, my dear student, okay, in a compass it has a dial. See, this is north, this is east, this is south, okay, and this is west. Okay, so just give me a moment. Let me draw this again. Yeah, this is south. So in compass, my dear students, you can see there is a dial which indicates north direction, east direction, west direction as well as south direction. There is a needle, okay? There is a needle that always point to the north. And you know what? In a compass, there is a needle present which always point out in only one direction, and that direction is your north direction. If we know one direction, we can easily find the other three. But here comes the question, why the dial of this compass, why the needle which is present in this compass only show north direction? Because my dear students, among the four directions, if you know that this is the north direction, then you can easily calculate the rest of the three directions. Okay, that's why the needle which is present in this compass only shows one direction, north direction. Okay, now this is all about our directions, but sometimes we have to find directions on our map. Okay, here you can see this is the map of India. Okay, in this map of India, now you have to find the directions. How you are going to find directions? Let's see. We use north, south, east and west to indicate directions on the map. On the map, again we use north, south, east and west to show the directions. The top part of the most maps usually point to the north. And you know what, my dear students? The top portion of any map, okay? The top portion of the most of the maps always show north direction, okay? So it means in this map, this is your north area, because according to this line, the topmost area of any map always show north direction. Let's take a look on the map of India. Here, have a look on this map of India. Kashmir is in the north. You can see Kashmir. Okay, this is your Jammu and Kashmir. Okay, Kashmir is in your North India. Okay, Mumbai is in west. Okay, now here you can see Mumbai is in west. Okay, this is your Maharashtra. Okay, this is your Maharashtra, and here Mumbai is present because Mumbai is the capital of Maharashtra. Okay, Kolkata is to the east. Okay, and if we talk about the east direction, then we talk about Kolkata. Okay, and Kolkata is the capital of West Bengal. Here is West Bengal. So Kolkata is in east direction. Okay, and last, Chennai is to the south of our country. Okay, and if I talk about the south, okay, so this is your Tamil Nadu, and Chennai is the capital of Tamil Nadu, and Tamil Nadu is located in south. That's how we can calculate the directions. Okay, so my dear students, this is all in this chapter. Okay, thoroughly go through this chapter and complete your exercise. Okay, last but not the least, you have to revise these chapters. Okay, because they are very important. You can easy, if you know about direction, then you can easily calculate the direction in your own way also. Okay, so my dear students, revise all the chapters. Okay, so see you in the next class. Till then, take very good care of yourself. Bye.